complicate anymore. My heart waited for you so long. I can't find out, where have you been now? Oh no. You're brighter, you're light into my heartbreak, you're noise into my silence, yeah. I'm burning the flames of love, brighter, you're light into my heartbreak, you're noise into my silence, yeah. I'm burning the flames of love.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how's life? We are from Mathematics Education, Universitas Negeri Semarang. We would like to present our final project in database lecturing, that is make a user interface and connect it with the database we have made before. Our project is about clinic center, namely Medika Clinic.
The reason why we choose clinic center program is every day there is people who sick and come to the clinic. And in order to help the clinicians to do clinical operational tasks, we make a user interface about this clinic and connect it with the database we have made before. Our user interface has been created and adapted to the existing tasks, so it will make the clinicians easier to do their tasks.
Okay, let's go to the homepage of our user interface, and then we open the browser and we type localhost Medika Clinic, and this is our homepage user interface Medika Clinic. We have some menus in the homepage. They are add patient data, doctor's data, consult, and control. Now let's go to the add patient data menu. In the add patient data menu, we add the data of new patient. The patient data that should be filled are patient ID, name, sex, age, diagnosis, date, street, subdistrict, district, city, and then doctor's ID. For the example, we type the patient ID. Yes. For the name, we chose Lenny, Caroline. For the sex, female, and the age, 12. Diagnose, stomach. Okay, for the date, we choose now. And street, kata kaca street. Number 8B. And the subdistrict, Gunung Pati. The district, Kabupaten Semarang. And then doctor's ID, we choose this. And then click add button. And we can see in view result. And then for the name Lenny Caroline in there in patient data table. Next, we are going to menu consult. If we click the consult button, we move directly to consult page that consists of table name consult data table. The table is consisted of 4 columns. They are patient ID, doctor ID, date, diagnose, and we have update action. As we can see, the table has been filled. It is automatically added after we add a new patient. Here we can see there is update button. If we click the button, we move directly to a page that consists of two forms, namely date and progress. After we filled up the forms, and wait, yes, after we filled up the forms, we click the button and then we move directly to control page. And the data we have updated has been added to control table. In control data table, we have cat column that contain delete button for each data we have added. If we click delete button, the data in a row we have chosen will be deleted. But not only the data in controls data table, but also in consult table.
Okay, next we'll move to the next menu in our homepage. That is doctor data. You click on doctor data and it show doctor table that consists of three doctors. Yeah, three doctors. Suppose that here Dr. Tasya Farasya is got married and want to add her husband names in the of in her name. So we type Hermansyah. Okay, and we click update, and now Dr. Tasya names is changed to be Dr. Tasya Farasya Hermansyah. Okay, next to the homepage. And okay, this is our user interface for Medika Clinic.
I will fight for your heart. Take me deeper wherever you like.
Okay, in here we will show you how we create our user interface. First, we open the browser and open ertplus.com. In here we already have ER diagram, namely FPDPICC. We open it and we already have two entities that are patient and doctor. For patient, it has attributes that are pet ID as primary key, pet name, pet sex, age, and pet ed. In here, pet ed as composite attribute that consists of street, subdistrict, district, and city. For entities doctor in here, it has attribute doc ID as primary key, doc name, and specialist. The relation between doctor and patient is many to many, and the relation are console and control. Since the relation between patient and doctor is many to many, so it will be appearing two tables. Since in here there are two relation, control and console, so it will be table console and table control. For control, there is attribute date and progress, and for console, it has attribute date and diagnose. After that, we converted ER diagram to relational schema. We already converted it, and if we open, the diagram is shown like this. There are 4 tables in here, namely doctor, consul, patient, and control. Okay, the next we move to the XMPP. First, we start Apache and MySQL, and we go to the localhost, PHP, myadmin. We already have database, namely FPICC in here, and we have 4 tables: console, that column are date, diagnose, doc ID, and pet ID. The next is table control, that consists of date, progress, doc ID, and pet ID. And for table doctor, it consists of doc ID, doc name, and specialist. And for patient, we have column pet ID, pet name, pet sex, street, district, subdistrict, city, and age. After that,
Okay, we already have a database. To make our user interface, we use HTML and PHP and also CSS to make our user interface. Let's go to the folder. We click XIMPP, 80 dots, and Medika Clinic, and here is our file to make our user interface. Then we move to the first, or we say our homepage. This is index PHP. You can see the coding of our index. And next, we use CSS file to make the homepage more beautiful. Yes, and next, this is a for the connection file to connect your database with HTML. Next is patient HTML. This is a pair in add patient data, and this is a coding. And next, move to patient.php, and this is the coding. Next, for the patient data.php, this is for show the data in patient data. And next, for tampil PHP, this is to show the doctor's data that we have for the database. And next, to edit PHP, this is to edit the entry data for doctor. And next is consult PHP. Next is consult TP PHP. Then the next is edit ADM PHP. And the next is control HTML. And this is coding. And next is control PHP. This is for delete PHP. next is consult HTML. The next is delete C PHP. This is for deleting the control entry in control table. And the next is delete pet PHP. This is for deleting the patient entry in patient table.
Okay, for the result, we type localhost media clinic, and this is our homepage of user interface Medika Clinic. Then okay guys, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. We hope it can be useful for you. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh no, you make me feel nice when I look at you through the sunrise. You know me better, you know that. That you feel the same and I feel you make me feel nice when I look at you through the sun.